Hello, hola. Welcome to Rena MoMoney Plus YouTube channel. I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney, and today I got another good one for you. On this channel, we talk about crushing it in real estate, wholesaling, finances, and things to just help you become a better you. Well, today we're going to talk about free marketing methods for real estate. Yes, I have a few free techniques and free marketing methods that's going to help you find deals in real estate. So come on in. We all know that marketing can be the most expensive part of doing business. Advertising is the most expensive part of doing business, especially in real estate at this time. Right now, it's a seller's market. The competition is grand. There's a lot of competition with the realtors because the supply is very low and the demand is very high. So we're going to go over some free marketing methods that's going to really help you get some deals and get the deals done. One of the things you must consider when you're talking about marketing is whether you want to do A, sweat equity, or spending loads of money on advertising. So sweat equity versus loads of money on advertising. That's going to be that difference because there's free methods and there's also methods that you can spend money. Some methods are quick, some you get a better response. And if you go through the channel, you'll see where I talk about methods of real estate and how to get the deal, how to save money. Again, this channel will always be about you saving money and making money. The first free marketing method for real estate that I want to tell you about is going down to the code enforcement. Go to the code enforcement department and get the code violations where they have condemned houses, fire damage houses. They will have a list of that and you can get that for free and send letters and send marketing pieces too. We always say you want to focus on probates, pre-foreclosures. We all know that those are big money. There's a lot of equity in these tax liens and lease pendings. Well, the free way to get these tax liens, lease pendings, pre-foreclosures, and probates is to go to the clerk of courts, the county court. Yes, you can get them from the public courthouse for free. You'll put in that sweat equity and you'll do the work, but it'll be well worth it. You'll create your own list. You'll be the first one to send it out. Before I get into the third way, if you haven't subscribed, I want you to do so. That really helps out the YouTube algorithm. It helps me keep going. It helps YouTube to push it out to other people to see this information so that they too can crush it in real estate. The third free marketing method for real estate is sticky notes on vacant houses. That still works. It's free. So when you're riding around or you're coming from the movie or you're hanging out with the friends or you're just in a neighborhood or another area or you want to drive to another area, little sticky notes on vacant houses. Believe it or not, it works. So you leave a sticky note on that door and you can find those little sticky notes at Staples, at Office Depot, or whatever supply store in your city. I want to share with you one of my secrets, one of the things that I did. I actually had this card made up. It was a different color card and I have everything printed in red or gold, bright gold or bright red. And I had a big old sign said, wanted. And then I will put my little small information after that. But that wanted grabbed that person's attention. That's a good one. I usually don't give out my top secrets, but use that one. I'm going to share that with you. Before I go any further, I would also like to give my shout outs. You know, I love my shout outs. If this is your first time on the channel, I usually randomly select new subscribers and send them a shout out, give them claps up, give them thumbs up, just congratulate you and thank you for being a part and coming aboard on the Rena MoMoney team. So here you are here. Thank you very much. Look here on this screen, I have your name and giving you a shout out and giving you thumbs up. So congratulate yourself. Be proud of yourself because you're taking those steps to help yourself become a better you. Also too, if you find yourself getting a little stuck and you find yourself wanting to dive a little deeper, or you have a deal and you just need that mentorship but you don't have the money to pay for a mentorship program, feel free to schedule a coaching call with me. You will have a one-on-one session with me, Rena MoMoney, and I will help you through that and answer your specific questions. You can do a 15-minute session, a 30-minute session, or an hour session if you don't have the money for a mentorship program. And mentorship programs run you anywhere from $1,500 to $15,000 and some more than that. I've been there. I've paid for all that stuff back in the days. I've been in real estate since 2003, and believe me, a coaching call can really help you out. So if you need that extra help, you need that extra push, or you just need some specific questions answered on the dot, or you're working on a deal, feel free to give me a call. Schedule a coaching call with me. Look down in the description below and you'll see where you can schedule it at Calendly.com/Rena MoMoney. You'll also see some resources that will help you with some of these companies. You don't have to go around looking and find out which one's the best, which ones are real. I have some resources right down there. Click on the link. I also have discounts if you click on the link and use my link to purchase. All right, enough of that. Let's move on. I have a few more for you, and I also have a boom boom nugget that you know I got to share with you. My boom boom nuggets is giving you that lender or that credit card or that gem or that nugget that's going to really push you over. The fourth free marketing method for real estate is Facebook, social media. We talk about that, but here's the secret to that: messaging people in different groups, messaging people in different groups that's related to real estate. That's free. This next free marketing method, we've talked about it once before on the channel. Again, like I say, look down the channel. I have several videos on so many tips and tools that's going to help you with this. Don't make this your last video. This next one, we've talked about it, and a lot of people have pushed it aside because a lot of people are scamming and using it the wrong way. But Craigslist, put a post on Craigslist. It's free. Put a post in the free section of Craigslist and put what you're about, who you are, your phone number, that you buy houses, that you do this. Be specific. Say, look, I take over payments. Whatever you're working on, put an ad on Craigslist. It's free to post there. So that's a good one too. So keep that in mind. Make sure you do that. If you're not already doing it, it should be a part of your marketing system, and you should already be posting at least once a week on Craigslist anyway, or having your virtual assistant do it, or having your assistant do it. Okay, moving on to the next free marketing method for real estate. The sixth free marketing method is driving for dollars. You're looking for vacant properties, boarded up properties. You're looking for high grass, weeds. You're looking for tarps on top of the roof. You're looking for distressed homes. You'll at that point turn around and write down that address, that you go home or you go to your office or wherever, and you look up that address so you can get the owner. Once you get the owner, you send them out a marketing piece. Or you can use the Driving for Dollar app. You can use the Driving for Dollar software that you can get over your phone. Remember, I say use apps, use apps. There's a lot of apps for a lot of things that you need. There's a lot of software that you can use. There's software that you can also use that's going to speed up every process on what I've said to you in previous videos and this video. That costs you money. Today we're talking about free methods. So that's what I'm giving you. I'm releasing these free ones. Keep in mind, every tool, every method, every technique comes down to networking and a numbers game. It is a numbers game. Real estate, anything to do with sales, is always a numbers game. If you're into pharmaceutical sales or whatever sales, it's a numbers game, and the math doesn't change. Keep that in mind. Remember that. So it's time for a boom boom nugget. Let me give you a boom boom nugget. You say, okay, Rena MoMoney, you've given me these free marketing methods to find the deal. What do I do once I get them? What do I do once I have these addresses? What do I do once I have the code violations? Once I have pre-foreclosures from the city courthouse? What do I do with them? What do I do with these people that I reach out to? What do I do? How do I do it? Well, here you go. It's free to find them as well. One free way is truepeoplesearch.com. Truepeoplesearch.com. Go on that website. It's free to find them. If you need to spend a little money and that doesn't work, you will have to skip trace, and that will cost you a little money. But it's going to take money to make money, and keep that in mind. Another free way, once you've marketed and once you find them, is to do cold calling. Those are two free ways once you do the free marketing to get the deal done. Take some time out, look down the channel. I have some more great resources. I have some videos that's really laying it out, giving you step by step. Make sure you take some time out and watch these videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's free. It doesn't cost you a thing to subscribe, but it will give you a new perspective on life. It will give you a new perspective on this new venture that you're trying to jump into, and it will also help you to become a better you. So make sure you always stay to the end and come back. Thank you again for joining me. Welcome to the team, and you take care.